Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. We are doing a Neil Young song. The Needle and the Damage Done, which is a lovely, lovely little tune. And it's not got too many chords in. In fact, it's got kind of two sections that just repeat around throughout with some subtle different variations going on with the picking and a couple of little fills. But the basics, standard tuning, here are the chords. So D to D sus2, and you change basically by taking your second finger off. That makes it a D sus2. You take that off on the 2 and, so 1 and 2. Okay, then that same finger goes onto the C, 3rd fret on the A string. Then you walk it down. G6 with B in the bass, B flat there, and then C, F major 7, which is just an F chord with the open E, or you could play, you can play the full F if you wish, and then E sus4 to E. Okay, those are the chords. Now for the intro section, there's obviously a lot more going on, and you're pulsing the root note on every quarter note, okay, or every beat of the bar. Etc. Okay, until you come to the C part, and then it veers off a little bit. But you've got this triplet feel, so it's so you're going to go around like that. So essentially aim to hit, you know, the low 2 strings, if you will, and with the upstroke catch the top 1 or 2 strings. So just get that vibe going and then go with the changes, right? That, okay, so don't worry about exactly what I've tabbed. It's just more to give you the impression of what's going on, right? So you're not going to play, you know, like that, okay? It's got a lot of feel and, you know, that kind of skippy little triplet feel. So the first 4 bars slowly again. And there I'm moving down to my first finger. Neil actually just plays like that. If you can, you know, do that, go for it. I can't. I find I need to move to my 1st and 4th fingers there, but you know, up to you. So that's the first part. You know, so you're not even really worrying there. I'm just aiming for the low part and then the high part, and you know, whatever else happens, happens. Then for the second half of that phrase, slowly we're going to play. Something like that. So the main bit to get is this. So you play the C like you would do the other part, like that, but then the second beat is you do a hammer on. So okay, so there we've got so you're playing the top part of the C, and then you're walking up to the F. Okay, and then you walk it back down. So that's all there is to it. Note there, I have to abandon the chord shape. To do that little rundown. And then once you come down, I'm putting down my second, third and fourth fingers. E sus4, back to E. And that last one you go to the A. Again, doesn't matter too much, but that's what Neil does. That is the trickiest part of the tune. One more time. Then you're going to play the same thing again twice, but this time way more simple, and the singing comes in. So you have there's a little fill at the end, which comes in on the E. But we'll come to that in a sec. Main part is you're just doing this and repeating it 4 times. And again. To the C. Full F this time, so not the with the open E necessarily there. Okay, so that goes around twice. Now this fill at the end is that. Play the low bit of the E and the high bit of the E. Then similar with, it's a similar approach. But then with your third finger you slide up to the 4th fret, and again with the upstroke you're going to hit the top 2 notes down to the 2nd fret on that same string, right, the D string. And around again. And then you are back into and back around. That is it. That's the entire tune. I think you go around that whole lot a couple of times, maybe 2, 3, and the ending is just that first part. And you end like that. But I mean, I've put in a few little fills, right? You can put in what you like. You can. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.